Ever wondered how you can send, receive, and swap crypto instantly without all the complicated steps and hassle? Let me show you something powerful. And please remember, folks, to always do your own research before investing or using any financial or cryptocurrency projects we talk about on this channel, because we're not financial advisors and this video isn't financial advice. Let's get into it. And for all the links, check the description and the pinned comments. So what is Phantom Facts? In a nutshell, it's a secure, non-custodial wallet built and optimized for Solana and Ethereum. Now, I can say for myself, it's extremely user-friendly and perfect for beginners, intermediates, or advanced users. And personally, it's my own go-to wallet. And I think what I really love about Phantom the most is that it actually has its own inbuilt NFT integration in the wallet. So you can actually trade, send, swap, and receive NFTs as well as altcoins, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. Want to get your YouTube video to the top of the YouTube search engine? Get yeetranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos right at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. First, we're going to go over and open an incognito window here on Google Chrome to make sure there's no previous search bias. We're going to type in youtube.com, and before we do the search, we need to click on the settings, the three dots here. Make sure the language is set to English and the location is set to the United States. Once the United States has been selected, we're going to go into the search engine and do our first search by typing in Botsel. As we can see right there, right at the top, this video here by BizCheck is actually a video that YT Ranker managed to get to the top of the search engine right there. Bam, there it is. Now let's go in and type in another one, Lead Sniper, and have a look, and bang, again, top digital products. This video here, and also again, BizCheck, Botsol versus Lead Sniper right at the top of the search. So what are you waiting for? Get utranker.net to start ranking your YouTube videos right at the very top of the YouTube search algorithm. Back to the video. So because Phantom has this, there's no need for third-party apps. It's all integrated in the one place. Alright folks, so as you can see here, I'm in my plugin Solana desktop wallet here, and there's two sections here. We've got tokens, which I'm on now, Pudgy Penguins, Doodles, Solana, for example. Again, it's super easy to trade and swap those, or just hodl if you like. And this is the NFT integration here. So you can see some examples of some older NFTs that I've been holding in here. Doggo's NFTs, Wisecats, so it's very easy, folks. If you just want to send here, you can. If you want to swap, you can. You've also got the receive option, of course, and the buy option too. All very seamless and easy to do. So folks, if you want a wallet that's fast, easy, secure, seamless, built for beginners, intermediates, and advanced users, what are you waiting for? Grab the Phantom wallet right now. It's kind of crazy not to have it. All the links will be in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. Let's go. And also folks, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We'll catch you next time.